Okay, FM 101.7.
Ora Sami Jamfi, Elder Jamfi ba. Now, we communication officer so Emma NDC Amanyuko no. Sami mi moache.
Wane mejo so.
Naboko die.
Unyame ama de party ye Elias da ne be manyame. Ahode wo ho. Ye wadi da so say come 7th December. And sisa Ghana for the do na ehwe ni mu say ebeba no. Ebeba mpa. Esanse enei amamu a omampeni Akufo-Addo na MPP aban ebu no. Ipadodo na eneme ya agye se enkoye ama oman ni mu ayeden pa afokyere kese na aba beto Ghana for so na yoton a kwame yento ufia intia obie complaini because in the last 4 years nipa be bre no mampeni Akufo-Addo agu on adwuma nipa be bre and on many mu ayeden import duty akosoro dollar akosoro etura ne bo ayeden ti no owo amani hunu na omo esu se ensesan beba na inyuma aba impuntu aba aba omo ho ato omo na omai Ghana afa ntuma pefra enenti yedi ya wani da so se 2 weeks from now, by that day, 8th of December, no, they are 7th. Samre easy for a bobo on Baby declare elections. No, na Yura John Dramani Mahama, the nation builder, in Puntunumura, Bemani Munyan Fua, or one sen, or kind of cray, nowhere this were different pa. Said your mind and star, or Baba 20 Yuma Paso, Ama in Numa. Impuntu abusu amaye watoye no na unyame adonti Ghana fo aye no mwabi ma manaba ama na ye inuma pa e magana akonanim so any that so e wo pa
Na ede ne mamunya sa hwehwemu ni se 7 December ede ne muhunu ebia won ne tie kire hunuye
Kwame oza batu aye betui yentia se unyame ni si so ena unyame efa enipa so ena ye nedwuma nti ebinum say the voice of the people is the voice of God. Vox populi vox dei obon toa ko Ghana so na nyina na wutie de Ghana for dodo na eka de nanano matena konya eka de driver for eka de ye maame modwadifo eka de sukufo eka enne de Ghana memu ane mabawa eka emma wuhunu pefe se come 7 December Ghana for the system emma wuhunu pefe se amamu a mampeni Akufo-Addo ne MPP aba ebu no Ghana fo ni nye ho katahwehwe ne proye krono ne pesani kumunya mamu o mampeni Akufo-Addo na aba ebu abusua mamu kokofu bobo oncheni United amamu na obu no Ghana fo bibiri ni nokre no na kasa na bibiri empintia but da ye de abato adaka ne besiwo se yento no na ye beto awie managu akan no amanfo binya akoma yare wo Ghana ha because the omuhu na nisu ase o yare ni awie form no so mo be hu se na ye nisu keke because Ghana for wo makoma mu ankasa no mesie dina ye se aban we omu tebi Ghana for do na no ene woni otu kwan na ne nananom ne omanfo di nkomo a do na no abato omu tui eyempuntu ena omu to diape ndini pa ko fe about 2016 based on Bosha Samre no omampeni Akufo-Addo ni MPP for the share no na ohwe na setirem na ohwe se sa Bosha no dodo na no aban na buso dodo na akwa da ne sakawa na ene oba beto ababiem e de apempuntu nnwuma ne de be ma na brabo akoso a enya de obeyi mistake asanso ato ama saa de say Kufuado any MPP no because e oba be petu me no and I'll share about them to Abamao. Now, about 1 year, be a constituency, $1 million near the IM to Numa. A dear Germany, Kabeba, a bottom of the constituency, $1 million per constituency. Men to Abamao, na a cra.
Sammy,
Mammy, one village, one dam.
Sammy,
Men to Abamao, Nabaya, one district, one factory. Men to Abamao, Nagana, for I am about the do, yet Sikaso so a common day. Na bra na be fa sika no na ye ho ntoyen ene boshe wo ne nsama kese obo kan ye to aba maye ye ba ye be ye one district one market ye be ye one district one hospital ye be ye one region one theater minia ene ni nyina dane sakawa 419 ni nyina dane nada enya dia Ghana fo a o ma sponsor aso ansa hu ye mu eduro Ghana fo a o ma mpenye Kufuado de saa nada yi edi obo ebe sanso ato abama ni biem da because omunim say enya de obo betumi agye di enya de a Ghana fo a omahu kata hwehwe ne proye ensem te se PDS PP scandal 500 missing excavators galantea omampenye Kufuado abamu mpanyifo agye sikete abrofo ho de omo aye excavators omaton adi kese ejapa deal yi ni won sensem wa ba seni omampenye Kufuado etata omo ku achi akata hwehwe ne project se auditor general special prosecutor Martina Midu ana asari miya ana ameswala ayekuno ene kata hwehwe ne project ekoso yesika wafa ma na busuafo enene miensa akwakote foundation se my sister's keeper no mako Ghana commercial bank akwaje 2.4 billion ne yere a one pam Ghana ba penyi Rebecca Okufuado yatam Ghana oil sika edia mano over 1.2 billion ye chire GNPC oil cash na busuanfo te se Kenoforiata eni gabi ochire da ko a in the Japan matter or the Ghana fo sika enso yedi 240 billion edia ma omo a Martina Midu koka yesi ebekum no sanse mi nyina Ghana fo nimu na ye ho ye kose ehyetim enunti eyefanye ma wei na me ma nya awishemu se Ghana for the system ba enye no kwankwa me de ma no si wewe hu ni ato ankomo ne so Ghana for pese omunya inuma omo pese omapomude ni omayarehwe ho nsem no edina brane na omo ho tomo omo pese sikaba omobotom omo pese impuntunuma ebi ni omo mantemu eba se ya kwan se yesuku se ya sufiti se yesu pa omo panom eni de keka ho na Ghana for bebre ni se ya to aba mo mampenye Kufuado nsi ne sampuntu ne sanya ma meke nyina bebre no abomo enunti they believe say John Dramani Mahama the nation builder impuntunuma ura ono nete so a enka wo benya sampuntu bebre ene Ghana for bebre say me yare a me ko hospital a just me here health insurance scheme card bi me nibi ana me wobi kura ahu a just me kutua premium na me dia renew na John Mahama eba na menya free hospital mako hospital free bontu amintu ahwe say me wo health insurance scheme card o say me ni health insurance scheme card o say me wo sika me dey betua premium o say me ni bio the here na say me wo voters ID card dey adanse say me Ghana ni ana me wo Ghana card ana me wo light bill ana water bill say me Ghana ni me ko hospital a John Mahama say na ban na eba no be ma doctor for ahwe me free bontu eno ne friend free primary health care no Ghana for bibri every omaya revenue omapomudi ho that is what they are looking for open hospitals in their towns omu ni say John Mahama you see Adai Mahama na person you who hospital bibri aye who bi penyi semba e wo Ghana ha it won't be good for this man omo penuma Ghana for bibri e na omo nu atitia omo nya tutu aka omo semu omo nya nyuma omo ni say John Mahama eba na wababa be 1 million jobs your pa ban dwuma say ya de kire say ye health service say ye local government service NCC say ye police immigration soldier abanjuma biya John Mahama so be 200,000 private sector jobs buso 1 million jobs or Ghana memoir maba when you why wouldn't they vote for John Mahama? Because of Ampenia Kufuado new policies there or the baby pretty inuma. The incumbent is empty. Oh, they are not on China. Ghana for the donor pensan Juma. John Mahama Kwane or Mampenia or one she say pass out the national apprenticeship program oba. The Ghana need the opera to Usian San Juma. The school now opera okwa. Secondary school no. Ubakoni free and then for free TV no. Na polytechnic and they the technical university so no. What could you free won't your school fees? I won't pay we not pay the bay. So we person Usian San Juma no so fee na unkusukua. Or say na buy na the over 12 national apprenticeship program. This year Juma. Utri sa aban no ne betu ama wo free. Usia Juma no so no. Na boso ni bia utia oka. Se na be ya wo betinya tre wo ho na wo tie sua Juma ni yie. Na wo sua Juma ni wie a enfidi a wo hia se wan kasa wo de ba ko bi wo Juma no. Or de bia chew e de aso gvetira mo ba ko bi wo Juma. Why won't Ghanaians vote for this alternative? O de no to nchen ya and the Ghana for the bree or how a double track here at secondary school. Secondary school near any free. The Mahama the city as year free 2015. Emma day students are at what secondary schools at what Ghana for 362,000 day students or yeah secondary school education is free for them. Now I say say the two abamanoa for the boarding for the bed Ebeka home. Fufi and Twata. Onyame onima de nyina ma ne kotena nchen o ma mpenye kufu adobae o de modern for no aka ho a ye nyina ye se eye wa ya de pa na mmom o ye ne sa no na wo sen ko hu se enkoda ne bedoso nti ye wo si ku adan na nkwa ne doso no o manya bebi atena o manya bebi ada o manya bebi asuan de o metinye twa o ma mpenye kufu ado anye akwadwofo amamuo nti watena wa amankora na doso. They say unya classrooms, dormitories, unya dabre mankra no. If you are the perfect light about secondary school, your friend double track. And school, to touch. And you have a good track. 1 month, 2 weeks. Now about the Tennessee, Busumi Mienu. Now about for 1 month, 2 weeks. Now about the Tennessee, Busumi Mienu. I will for boka on classes fees because of double tracking. You may be brave crabone because of double tracking. You may young rent school and the no meeting yet. And until John Mahama back or the private schools are in paying free SHS Ramon Cahono or the private schools in now the can one almost what benefit is almost your Ghana for ma. Now the private schools will Cahono. Now the community based senior high schools are or 30C Marco 123. Every move 46, the account woman Pena Kufuado, a Jabu Uremu, I want to us on. But once will be if you been private schools, you been new secondary schools. Opoku are a prem money wege hinosono, or baby biemu amanayake here. Not double track, no. By first 1 year, ye few. Now, for one tomo, and search of one tomo, now cramming your mredo what school messian dear. Said John Mahama be you double track a free home. I'm a young free quality one track secondary education. Why won't Ghanaians vote for him? Now the other day we will cry Magana for any idea. Maybe I could be a budget or Mahama on the say. I pay any free quality one track education Kwan or Baba Baya Moshe at the Magana mine. Or say, Mammy and Obano, we secondary school now, I couldn't see now. And any no. I was at Kranitimico University, and now College of Education, and now nursing training, and now Polytechnic and now Technical University. That's your point to see. I was a benefit SHS. Utimi Kobi, the waiting by a lawyer, journalist, doctor, nurse, teacher, and the Kekahon. Oh, you drop out of SHS. Unyashi. I was at Kranitimico and edition. So then they are Kranibabeko University, or Polytechnic. Or Babeko nursing training, teacher training, in the Kekahon. So, school fees are about time I wasn't with your man, and not from any Sikaketwa. And that's why what you do. If you dare not buy everything to me, now, mamma, papa, that's school fees, I buy a fuddy, not that same house, waiting at what Obano, edition, so, a tertiary institutions. Omampenye Kufuado ne MPP for ni hihye bia for tertiary education. John Mahama, the nation builder or drain a man for pay. And then hihye ya du twemu a your friend Simpe Aba. Say ni Ghana for yen 1 year to aba mani bi no ba pa. Then any could there be a Uko University, Uko Training College, Nursing Training, Polytechnic. With school fees a was a Uchiano. Only Uchimupe. Now buying you a fat 50%. Now also what you are a fat 50%. Into 50-50. The school fees in here 30 million now. Or no bet you are 1,500. Now my miss what you are 1,500. Now one high. The way to your school about to the Kwame Nkrumah here and in penny for a car at Ghana. Fancy say a power yard on Dramani Mohammed Free Hospital. Chimpe. Double track, our baby yes, one is free quality one track SHS. 1 million jobs or deba. And the national apprenticeship program is Sami Juma or deba. It's a power warmer pension for any Keka Hono. And no mammy Gideon say on the 7th of December 2020, we trade upon Kwame Karesro year, Ebekasa, Ghana for Ebekasa, and Sesna Beba. Ama yewura John Dramani Mahama tuntunyu mawura osi brekete wasanso aba beto de nyuma paso ama honto aba na kata ahyehyɛ ne po ye dream abusia mamuo oncheni United kukufu bo ba mamuo ya ɔmampenye kufu ado ubu ya ne ma ne wofa asenom ne nuanom ne ba maame no nko a na edi de no wa bi yefi wa magana fu nyina
okay
yenya Ghana sika ne Ghana Japade so mfa so
na mamemrai mo the press statement bi aba on security arrangement say abanhwe na wo nhwe na wo nye ne yie ne titi opposite a wo hwe saa bambo adwuma so e wa abato mu ende be na wo mu wadama
oh titi akwame me tofa ban mu nyina ne se 7 December abato no NDC amanyokuro empire ayebo yadwuma aye nyina ne se bibia be ya asudwie bibia be ya jojo ne beto aba na wie no no bia wo se oto aba bia no wanya kwan ato na ba ehuna entrene bo basa ye intitira sam yu ye ne bia nya dan ensi na bibia be ya jojo ya tu wi a de wadi nkunim no wa baba be ye na dwuma pa de wadi ntwo no so no watene ho ase ama ya sumdwie na ye wei atena wo daadaa ama ye kabi na nkabi amamu na ye bu no etimi egina ne naso atena ho afebo nti ye de Ghana nko na ye mmanya ye nse ye wonti no ye kan de ye nyina no ya mamu ntu nyina mu no ye hwe ne se abatu ibe ya sumdwie because Ghana is the only country we have na the abatu no betimi ya sumdwie akwame na wo se ya ho bambo ni mayefo a omo hwe abatu no so no omo ye omo dwuma bu ni se professionally omo di mraso omo ma pere yo ne no kre eba omo dwuma ye ni oman ne ho do no omo wo se omo ma no hia won kane omo ankodi amanyoku bi achi ana omo ma ho kwan amanipa bodefo bi ama mefra wo mo ama me ye nyina mransem bia ebetumi di basa ye ne oyi na aba esan se aya waso west wogon by election na sia eba ye no yehu di omampenye Kufuado all die ben eyeye kwasesa ne mranti a omo ye Delta Force for Invisible Force for Boligatanga Bulldogs Buta Crocodiles abonye BBC for ehhehye omo khaki and black entire so omo ye national security for ehhehye omo mask na omo ko fan sekan chains ene etu ebedi nipa wu aya waso west wogon ebubu bi tu prepare nipa no yempese BBC bi enti enche na national security minister Uru Akandapa eto ne safre NDC ene amanyukua akase yesi nkonya na ye nyina ye ntoato adwene hwe kwan a ebitumi afaso aka ye ho abom aye adwuma bom na abato aye ba betui aya sumdwe na ye koye no nyina ye ba kwa yesi ye ne se abato yi ye ma national security for na Omampenye Kufuado Delta Force Invisible Force for na wase so obogu national security hono enhwe abato no so bi ye be ma police for nko na ahwe abato no so a police for nko na omobebo ban because fa na Ghana mra eka enu nti wa wonhye police atare tuntum ni bi no eni sɛ woko police station sɛ me national security ana me SWAT team yen pese ayawa so de no ebisi bi sɛ na bɛyɛ abato no bɛyɛ asobie tie nyina yɛ kɔ benkrom gitu mu sɛ a police fo nko ana ɛbɔ ban na yes I meeting we kwame yahu videos bebree ne pictures they are sure sɛ wo so wahu bi a nipa bɔnefo bi hyɛ dem ɔmo de ɔmo ho asie na ɔmo print police ntare black no ɔmo print bebree na kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo ayɛ ɔmo adwen sɛ IGP enya ba bɛka sɛ oh a police fo ɔmo hyɛ police ntare nko ana ɛbɛbɔ ban on 7 December abato no mu nti no ɔmo pam ntare ni bi fake police uniforms na ɔmo so ahyɛ na ɔmo ayɛ ɔmo ho police na ɔmo afra police fo papa no ɔmo baba bedi nsɛmɔne ɛno nti deɛ yɛka kyerɛ a police fo national security minister ɛne ɔmampanyin Akufo-Addo ne ne mpanyinfoɔ no sɛ ɛyɛ nyinaa yɛ pɛsɛ nhyehyɛeɛ a yɛkɔgye tuu mu no yɛ adwuma na polisifoɔ nko a na ɛbɔ ban na ma abatoɔ no ayɛ asomdwe di a ɛneɛ ɛnyɛ police ntareɛ nko a na ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo bɛbɔ ban no ɛhyɛ ɛnim sɛ wɔkɔ police mu a mmara ɛwɔ mu ne sɛ police ni bia wɔhyɛ wo police atare a ɛwɔ sɛ udin yɛde bɔ okoko so saa wo chest no udin no gu hɔ enti day no a polisifoɔ a ɔmo bɛbɔ ban nyinaa no ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo hyɛ ɔmo name tags na yɛtumi identify ɔmo sɛ wei yɛ DSP Kofi Mensah wei yɛ Corporal Atipu na yɛhu sɛ wei ɔyɛ correct policeman na ɔka sɛ ɔmo nhyɛ atare tuntum ne deɛ ɛneɛ obi kɔ makola na ɔkɔnya material ne bi a wapempem bi asɛ ne Delta Force foɔ ne Bolegatanga Bulldogs ne Invisible Forces no mo dia ba be din sebone ba wonya ka so mo identify omo ho no mo fo mo nta omo din mo omo boa oye police ni papa obeye ba so oye nsɛmɔni ni bi ntitire ni bi na wo bi abɔ ne paase o meyɛ nsɛmunu a kontumi ɛnɛfa nti ya srɛ nyama mielu a police bɛbɔ ban no ye make sure so mo betwe omo din no agu omo bo so ye tini identify omo openly ɛno na nkyɛn no yenye register of all police officers you be deploy omo na say omo provide security for this election and the constituency be a police for a omo ko ho no na atwe omo din Ketu South police for omo ko ho ni Lada de Kotopo police for ko ho ni Krote Koli police for e ko ho ni yenye sa register ni wi ni de ma political parties na we police ni a obebo ban a na ya check udin a egu oboso they are say we register ni mu a na fe obi awu say we police ni papa then we can cooperate with you and yes sir ya ka say wa be police atare nko na be tinya bo ban a MPP for adia ya sate ehu so mo ye ne say omo pam police ntare ne man Invisible Forces ne Delta Forces say on 7 December obe she mo di ehwe nipa e di aye basa ye ni ntitira se ti anwe yi a na ama pinchen bia yɛdan aba ɛno nti yɛsrɛ aban no sɛ ɔmampanyin Akufo-Addo sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ abatoɔ no yɛ asomdwe national security minister ne IGP pɛ sɛ abatoɔ no yɛ asomdwe na polisifoɔ nko a mmara ma wɔn kwan sɛ ɔbɔ ban wɔ abatoɔ mu no ɛna ɛbɔ ban deɛ a ɛne ɛna ne die mu yɛsrɛ wɔn sɛ ɔmɔma nhyehyɛ yɛnyɛ adwuma let the policemen identify themselves openly with their name tags and give political parties and all stakeholders a register of all policemen who will be deployed on 7th December. Baby, so that we will know a bit in your separate in Rhino, every in Patakuno.
Any medasi anopay?
Kwame so medasipa onyamisha.
Unsha so. Yera Sami Jamfi, communication officer Edema and NDC amanyukuo no na ye ne no atwetwe enkomo no aha
Okay FM 101.7